Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHF. This is the fifth part of the series of behavior of real gases, where we will see estimation of critical constants, constants of van der Waals equations, critical coefficient. Estimation of critical constants. Consider the critical isothermal. This is the critical isothermal. This we have got from the van der Waals isothermals. At the critical point P, the curve is horizontal. Therefore, at point P, dP by dV will be 0. The slope will be 0. At this point, the tangent also crosses the curve. Therefore, the tangent at such a point is said to be stationary and the point is called the point of inflection. At the point of inflection, d square P by dV square is also 0. Therefore, at the critical point P, dP by dV is 0 and d square P by dV square is also 0. We will write down the van der Waals equation. P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. This can be rearranged. You can take P by B, V minus B here below RT. So RT upon V minus B. And then you can take A by V square on the other side. So minus A by V square. Equation 1. We can also now write this. V minus B can take on in the numerator. So V minus B the raised to minus 1. And this V square also will come in the numerator. So V raised to minus 2. Now differentiate the equation. dP by dV will be equal to RT into minus 1 into V minus B the whole raised to minus 2 and minus A into minus 2 into V raised to minus 3. Rearrange the equation in the form minus RT upon V minus B the whole square plus 2A upon V cube. Equation 2. Again differentiate this equation. We will differentiate again this equation. So that will come as RT into 2 into V minus B the whole raised to minus 3 minus A into minus 2 into minus 3 into V raised to minus 4. We'll write this as 2RT upon V minus B the whole cube minus 6A upon V raised to 4. Equation 3. At the critical point P, we have P is equal to Tc, critical temperature. P is equal to Pc, critical pressure. V is equal to Vc, the critical volume. dP by dV is 0 and d square P by dV square is equal to 0. So we'll use this. So hence equation 1 will become Pc is equal to RTc upon Vc minus B minus A by Vc square. From equation 2, RTc, this is equation 2, so we will substitute everything. RTc upon Vc minus B the whole square, okay, plus 2A upon Vc cube. dP by dV is 0, so we are taking this term on the other side. So RTc upon Vc minus B the whole square is equal to 2A upon Vc cube. And from equation 3 again this is equal to 0. So we can write down and then we can also take this term on the other side. So that will be 2RTc upon Vc minus B the whole cube is equal to 6A upon Vc raised to 4. So these are equations 4, 5 and 6. Dividing equation 5 by equation 6, we get RTc upon Vc minus B the whole square divided by 2RTc upon Vc minus B the whole cube is equal to 2A upon Vc cube upon 6A upon Vc raised to 4. Rearrange this equation in this form so that you will get this Vc minus B the whole square will cancel out with this one. RTC will get cancelled out. AA will get cancelled out also. VC cube will cancel out with this. So what remains is VC minus B upon 2 is equal to VC upon 3. We can write this as 3VC minus 3B is equal to 2VC. Taking VC terms on one side, so 3VC minus 2VC is equal to 3B, and hence VC is equal to 3B. This is equation A. This we have got the critical volume. Substituting equation A in equation 5, so we have substituted in place of VC as 3B. We get RTC upon 2B the whole square is equal to 2A upon 3B the whole cube. So RTC upon 4B square is equal to 2A upon 27B cube. We get TC is equal to 8AB square upon 27RB cube, and hence TC, the critical temperature, is 8A upon 27BR, equation B. Substituting equation A and B in equation 4. So we get PC is equal to R upon 3B minus B into 8A upon 27BR minus A upon 3B the whole square. RR will get cancelled out. We get 8A upon this will be 2B into 27B minus A upon 3B the whole square. So we get we'll write down this 27 as 3 into 9. So we get A by 9B square. This A by 9B square can be taken common. So in the bracket you have 8 by 6 minus 1. Cross multiply this as 8 minus 6 upon 6. So that will be 2 upon 6. And that will be A by 9B square into 1 by 3. So you get the critical pressure PC as A by 27B square, equation C. Now we will find the van der Waals constants from equation B. PC is given 8A by 27BR. From this rearrange and you get A by B as 27 RTC upon 8. This is equation 7. Same from equation C. This is for critical pressure. We will rearrange this equation to get A by B square, that is 27 into PC, equation 8. Dividing equation 7 by equation 8. So we have divided it. A by B upon A by B square is equal to A by B into B square by A. Substituting everything, 27 RTC by 8 into 1 by 27 PC. We get B is equal to RTC upon 8 PC, equation D. Now you substitute equation D in equation 7. So we have substituted in place of B, RTC by 8 PC. Rearrange the equation to get A, 27 RTC upon 8 into RTC upon 8 PC, and that comes as A is equal to 27 R square TC square upon 64 PC. So this is the van der Waals constants A and B, equation D and equation E. Now critical coefficient, it is given by RTC upon PCVC. RTC PC upon PCVC, we can substitute all the critical constants here. TC is substituted as 8A upon 27BR. PC is A by 27B square and VC is 3B. RR will get cancelled out. And in the end we get 8 by 3, that is 2.667. The calculated value of critical coefficient is therefore 8 by 3 or 2.667, and it is same for all the gases. Thank you for watching this video.